Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. So my today's video is about self-watering pots. Actually these pots are used for indoor plants. I will tell you how to assemble and what's its benefits. So let's start. I have this indoor pot with me. These are some accessories. I will assemble these accessories in this pot. This is the bottom plate of the pot. As you can see here, there are two strips on this plate. Look at here, two strips. Basically, the function of these two strips is to take the water from downside to the root zone of the plant. We will add water through one pipe at the bottom of this plate, and the water will go automatically upside to the root zone of the plant. Here we have pipe through which we will add water. Also, there is water measuring gauge along with this pipe that will show us the level of the water. So let's fix this pipe and this water measuring gauge. As you know, indoor plants doesn't require much water. So this pot will automatically take water when your soil is dry. In this way your plants will remain healthy and green. That's why these pots are called self-watering pots. These pots will make it easy for you to take care of your indoor plants. So if you are still using the ordinary pots, my suggestion is to replace those ordinary pots with these self-watering pots. It's almost done now. We will add potting soil into this pot. These are the bags of potting soil I have, and these are the plants. Add some soil like this and keep your plant here and put the remaining soil and compact it. We will add water from here. The water will go downside below that black plate, and this tube will tell us the water level.